New Igbo state coming. Sixth Southeast State Bill passes second reading. What it means. Breaking news. A bill to create a sixth state in the Nigerian Southeast has just passed its second reading in the National Assembly. This could be the most significant political shift for Ndigbo since the end of the Civil War. But while some see it as justice long denied, others are asking, why now? Who benefits? And is this a trap before 2027? Welcome to Chinick TV, where we break down Nigerians' biggest stories with fearless honesty. If you are Igbo or Nigerian, or just curious about what is really going on, stay with us. Let's be clear. Nigeria has 36 states, but not all zones are equal. The Northwest has 7. The Southwest, North Central, Northeast, and South-South each have 6. But the Southeast, only 5. Abia, Anambra, Ebonyi, Enugu, and Imo. This means the Southeast has less Senate representation, less House of Rep voice, and less access to federal funding. For years, Igbo leaders, activists, and even separatist groups like IPOB have cried out, "We are underrepresented in Nigeria." For now, for the first time in decades, there is a movement, real movement. This bill, currently in the House of Representatives, proposes to create one more state in the Southeast. It has already passed second reading, meaning lawmakers have agreed on it in principle. But there is still a long way. Committee stage, public hearing, third reading, then the Senate, then a nationwide referendum, and constitutional amendment. Possible names of the proposed states: Etiti State, from central LGAs in Imo, Abia, Anambra. Adada State, from Nsukka axis in Enugu North. Orlu State, carved from Imo's most populated zone. Some are even lobbying for Anioma State, from Igbo-speaking Delta. The politics has already begun. Let's talk impact. A new state means 3 new senators, more federal allocation, a brand new capital city, thousands of government jobs, more LGAs, more political leverage in Abuja. This would give the Southeast a louder voice in national affairs, maybe even a stronger claim to the 2027 presidency. It could also weaken the cries of marginalization and reduce IPOB's influence. That is why this move is so powerful and dangerous. Here is where it gets interesting. Some believe this is a P2B strategy to show that Labour Party can deliver. Others say it is Tinubu's game to score political points in Igbo land before 2027. Remember, Tinubu needs Southeast votes to secure a second term. What better way than to say, under my watch, the Southeast got its sixth state? But there is a twist. If the bill succeeds, who controls the new state? LP, APC, PDP. That fight is already heating up behind the scenes. Now, let's pause. Because while this sounds beautiful on paper, there are serious red flags. Can Nigeria afford it? We are already broke. Most states are owing salaries. Where will the money come from to build a new capital, a new assembly, new ministries, new courts, new roads? And let's not forget, once you give the Southeast a new state, other zones will demand tiers. Middle Belt wants Apa State. Yoruba wants Ijebu State. North wants Zulu State. Is Nigeria already for a state explosion? Even within the Southeast, there is trouble brewing. Nsukka people want Adada State. Orlu people say they have waited too long. Aba people want Etiti State, and some in Delta are pushing for Anioma. Expect serious lobbying. Expect protests. Expect accusations of marginalizing within marginalization. This could divide Ndigbo even more if not handled with care. So, what's really going on? Many analysts believe this bill is part of a bigger 2027 strategy. Could it be that the ruling party is using this to soften the Southeast, then sweep the votes later? Or is this a genuine move to finally balance Nigeria's federal structure? Whatever it is clear. The politics of this bill go far beyond geography. It is about 2027, about legacy, about power. Do you support the creation of a sixth state in the Southeast? Which area deserves it most? Is this true justice or political manipulation ahead of 2027? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe because at Chinick TV, we ask the hard questions. My name is Chibueze, the host of Chinick TV, and this is Nigerian's political story, told boldly.